This is TRUEFORCE, a G923 Logitech, brake pedal and clutch, H shifter, steering wheel, realistic driving. As you can see, we have the brakes as we continue along. And what we're going to do is show you what this product is about, what you get, how to set it up, and what you need to know. PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, the old-fashioned controllers. We have here PC, it's for PS4, PS5, the G923 steering wheel. You have a gas, brake, and clutch that's included in this kit, along with the bundle package, the H shifter for your games. There's gear for a steering wheel and gear shifters. Make your own board, put it on a simulator board and racing chair, or just a simple table by grabbing the unit, lifting the cable up, lowering down the pins by adjusting, and placing onto a table like so. Once secured and locked down, the buttons can be pressed in. Give a little press and a rotation clockwise to lock in, and to freeze, simply rotate and let go. On the steering wheel, we show you the two NA nuts that you could purchase and lock down on a board or a sim table. Hooking up your unit, simply plug in your cables, your power, screw down to a permanent mount, or simply, like said, place on the table, lock into place, press in, rotate clockwise, and you're ready to play. The steering wheel resembles the game controller. We have the rotatable buttons over here, up, down, left, right, push buttons, up, down buttons, left buttons, right buttons, a swivel, and a button, and three others, and paddle shifters up and down. On the brake, pedal, and clutch, the throttle is soft, the brake is super hard, and the clutch is medium. This is your H shifter. It's a 7-position gear system with the reverse by pushing down, to the right, and back is your reverse. Pushing forward lifts up the shifter. First gear all the way to the left, up, down for second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Neutral. With the 12-volt power converter, we are now hooking up our system and show you how simple it is to hook up. On this particular side is your power cable. Simply plug in, wrap your cable around, and place into the first or second notch. We put ours in the inner notch. Black on black overlay, we are now hooking up our pedals to this particular area. With the wide facing towards the back, wrap around, and into the first slotted area. Finishing off with the gear shifter on the opposite side, wide facing towards the bottom. Plug in, wrap around into the inner hole. We have one more slot to go. The main unit is USB-A driven. Wrap the cable around into the last open slot, locking down onto a board or to a table. We are placing our board on. We are lining up our holes. And we're locking down with M8 screws. We have the M8 screw holes, the nuts. We align. On the gear shift, we have an adjustment to lock down into place as well. As we tighten up the unit, you can see how it adjusts to the board. The pedal stand has reinforcement hulls, structures, and rubber pads all around for non-slip. If you're on the carpet, simply press this button here that releases the carpet grabber. If you don't want to use the carpet grabber, simply push in and locks into place. The next step is plugging in the power cable. Caution: before plugging in the next step of your USB-A, please stand clear of the steering wheel as it will calibrate when plugging in. Without warning, it will turn with great force. Once it sets up, the next step is to download the software available at G-Hub. G-Hub must be started before each and every game. 450 degrees, your TRUEFORCE spinning back. Those are your setups for your steering wheel. You have for the pedals, pressing on the pedal for gas, brake, clutch. As we're ready to play our game, we simply hit the gas, do our shifting, and go. As we could play different games with the simulator, we feel vibration through the steering wheel and more. We're following the map and we're increasing our speed by the actual shifter on the unit versus using the H shifter at the moment. Using the H shifter, we grab into the gear and we hit the shifter and go as we increase our speed and get onto the highway. There are many games out there on the market. This is the G923 steering wheel as we're playing a racing game. It is with the wing shifters, and off we go. I hope you enjoy the product. If this is something that you are looking for. Some games are not easy to play, as you can see how the steering wheel acts and all. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in a simulator racing game. It is a racing steering wheel with pedals and more.